I'm a skirt in the V8, yeah, I'm straight. 160 on the dash, I'm pushing that shit all day. So hear me, do you feel me? Can you hear me? I can feel my body cause I'm sipping on that Henny. I'ma slide out the drop, yeah, I'm YouTube, what's happening? Back with another video. Man, she sounding good right now. I got it in 4th gear. Just feathering the gas a little bit, playing with it. Trying to tell y'all, man, if y'all going with these straight pipe, as you see, it's loud. It's loud now, but at the same time, it can quiet down. Like, you know, that's just me with the 1st gear. Now let me show y'all when I put it in drive, back to drive, right? Watch out, hold on. Let's see, that's the drone kicking. That's just the drone, I ain't gonna lie. That drone loud. But who wants to buy this and then complain about the noise? Like, this what you bought it for, man. Come on now. This what you wanted to hear, you know, from this is from the inside, but from the outside, oh yeah, come on, y'all hear how it sound from the outside. I gotta give you guys some flybys. If y'all want some flybys or any type of, you know, where y'all can hear the noise from the straight pipe driving now, you know, let me know. Oh, let me see. Is this my exit? Oh, right here, this is my exit. Got confused. Yeah, it's my X right here. And sport mode, you gonna hear it change. Watch this. Shift for a second. Hold on. I feel like I could have kept going. It was about to go all the way though. It was about to go all the way. That's crazy. I should have. If I would have kept going, it would have shifted. These cars out here flying, boy. Which for y'all like? Y'all like view 1? View 2, I'm gonna do it like this real quick for y'all, so y'all can see everything. So y'all can see everything. There ain't no police. I'm about to say, hey, I'm about to get it. Got a little bit of gas left. Man, my fault, this sun blocked. God dang. You got a challenger trying to pull up on me from. You got a challenger trying to pull up on me. You better back up. Oh, it's another challenger a day too. I might have to skip this video. Oh, he trying to come up to me and behind me. He trying to come up behind me, bro. Tell this dude leave me alone. Not want the smoke. I drive this thing like a Hellcat. Oh, he on my ass. He trying to switch lane. Watch this. messing up everything, y'all. I'm sorry for this sun right here. Dang. I'm about to catch it one more time. I'm about to hit it one more time. Look, he driving reckless. Let me zoom in so y'all can see this man. He behind another Challenger. Video because this sun is doing no justice, bro. This sun messing up everything. Dang. Finally, the sun, we just went to a little different little spot. He over there, man. I would catch him on my exit right here. I ain't gonna follow up with him. Look like the police is over there anyway.